What's happening, traders? Welcome again back to my chat. All right, guys. So today we're going to be diving into Bitcoin and my potential trading opportunity for Bitcoin and exactly what Bitcoin is doing right now. So, guys, as you guys can see, Bitcoin has been making higher highs and higher lows. Bitcoin is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs. So I'm looking at Bitcoin making a potential higher high before Bitcoin coming again to test this particular trend line. So sorry about that. So I'm gonna be looking for buying opportunities because Bitcoin is clearly on a bullish trend. Okay, so let's scale lower to actually see if we can find buying opportunities. All right, guys, so we've scaled lower. So guys, as you guys can see here, this particular I put this particular horizontal line there because Bitcoin has been testing this line and rejecting, testing this line and rejecting. So I was like, okay, if Bitcoin can break above this line and have a daily candle close above this horizontal line, I'll be looking to place my buy trades. Okay, because this is like the midpoint of between these two zones. Between these two zones, this is the midpoint. And how do I know this is the midpoint? I took my Fibonacci from this zone all the way up to this zone, like so. So you guys can see that this aligns like with the midpoint. Okay, but I just had to pull it down a little bit because I had to make this as a form of resistance, right? I had to make that a form of resistance, right? So let's go ahead and delete this Fibonacci. So Bitcoin has clearly broken above this horizontal line and is heading for $210,000 per coin. So that is the next level target for Bitcoin. So let's scale lower to actually see if Bitcoin actually has a potential trading opportunity. All right, so this is a daily time frame on Bitcoin. As you guys can see clearly here that Bitcoin has clearly broken above this horizontal line which serves as the resistance that has been holding it since December 2024. So Bitcoin has clearly broken above it, and as you guys know, our overall target is all the way up to $210,000. So my next move here is that I'll wait for, I already have a trade on Bitcoin, right? But I'm waiting for a pullback before I actually place another position. So let me show you guys my trade that I have on Bitcoin. Let me show you guys my trade I had on Bitcoin. So how do I actually enter this Bitcoin trade, right? So I waited for a daily candle. Let me zoom in, guys. So I waited for a daily candle close and break above this zone. Once I see that daily candle has broken and break above this zone, let me delete this to not confuse you guys. Once I see that this daily candle close has broken above this zone, I I just had to do what I placed my buy trade. My stop loss was all the way below here. So as you guys know, our overall target is all the way there. But what I'm seeing here on Bitcoin, I'm seeing Bitcoin getting to 120k, then probably retracing back. How do I know? So I plotted my Fibonacci from this swing low, from this swing low, from this swing low to this. There's not actually a potential swing high, so I'm expecting 120k to be the potential swing high, because if you look at this, the thing is that the market moves from A to B and B to C. So let me explain that. So market moves from point A to point B, then from point B to point C, which is supposed to be at the 50% or the 60% zone, somewhere around here, then to point D. You get what I'm saying? So my first level target is gonna be at 120k, which is somewhere here. This is my first level target is gonna be at. Then I will close 50% of my position. Then I'm looking at markets coming to do what? I'm looking at markets coming all the way down here before rallying all the way for the next level target. You get what I'm saying, guys? So my call for BTC is BTC. Let me write it, guys. So this is BTC call. As I said, 120k, 120k to around, it should get, it's come back to like around 100 109k, then to 210k. So I'm calling BTC now. As you guys have seen, you guys saw the criteria I listed before I entered this trade. You guys saw what I, oh my god, you guys saw what I listed before I entered this trade, and now you guys can see that there's a potential for BTC, right? And if BTC cares, there's another thing I'm trying to say here. If BTC decides to blow past this place, let me explain it. If BTC tries to blow past here and does not want to pull back, at a point BTC will try to pull back somewhere. Okay, so what I'm just trying to say is that at every pullback, I will do what? I will enter more positions. And for if you guys want to stay updated with me, I'm gonna be posting on my Telegram channel the trades I'm going to be placing, the updates about the trades. So I will advise you guys to click on my Telegram channel link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel. So you guys can see clearly that Bitcoin is clearly on a bull run. And recently, guys, BlackRock just bought a very huge percent of Bitcoin. So you guys should know that Bitcoin is on another bull run, and this is gonna be the bull run of a lifetime because it's gonna take a while. Okay, first of all, you guys should know that we're not gonna Bitcoin is not gonna get all the way to 2010k in one day, okay? But gradually, okay? So you want to get in as early as possible, okay? So for you to get in as early as possible, you have to know when exactly to get in. And how do you know when exactly to get in? You have to wait for pullbacks. And if you don't want to understand is that when to get in, I am here to break down the chart for you. So I'm going to be doing this every week, which is every Sunday. I'm going to be uploading videos here to YouTube every Sunday, which you guys can watch. So if you are seeing this video a little bit later, because I recorded this video Sunday 13th of July 2025, and if you know you want to stay updated and you want to stay with me, do what to smash subscribe button and turn on post notification so you can be the first person to see this shit, okay, before it goes past the time. Okay, so what I'm saying is Bitcoin to 120k, then from 120k we're expecting a pullback to like around 110k, 109k before we actually see another bullish move. Okay, so you guys should stay tuned because I'm going to be updating you guys on my Telegram channel. So you guys should do well to click on the link on my Telegram channel in the description. So that's my take on BTC. BTC is looking juicy. I've made some specific amount of money on Bitcoin. Let me show you guys my, okay, I think I've deleted it. Let me see if I can go back. Let's see. I already entered this Bitcoin trade already. I've already entered this Bitcoin trade already, guys. So I just want to, okay, yeah, this is it. So I'm already in Bitcoin trade already. As you guys can see, I'm already in profit. And this little profit that you guys are seeing on a 0.02 lot, we're seeing the potential of like $100. I think I'll leave a screenshot here for you guys. We're seeing this is like $100 plus profit already. And let me just give you guys a disclaimer. Disclaimer, let me type it. Disclaimer, disclaimer. I am using a demo account. So as for those of you that are using real accounts, you guys should not be afraid of taking this trade. I just want to be as transparent as possible, okay? So I'm using a demo account because I have not actually been able to fund myself, okay? I had funds before, but it has been rusticated. About I put it, that's something that shall happen to it. So you guys should know that I'm here with you guys, and whichever loss you take, it's not a financial decision, okay? I'm not even here to rant and all kind of stuff, okay? Just stay with me. I'm giving you guys the reason you should take a trade. This is not a financial, this is not a final, how will I put it? Is it financial decision? How will I put it? This is not a, what's this, man? This is not a financial advice, exactly. This is not a financial advice. You guys should just stick with me, stay with the journey. It's the journey that matters, not really about what you guys actually placed, okay? It's the journey that matters. You guys should just stick with me and we'll see how it goes, okay? So as time goes, I'm gonna get my own account. I know you guys can't see me right now, you can only see the chat and you can hear my voice clearly. So you guys should just stick with me. Everything's gonna get better as soon as time goes on. So we know our overall target is 210k, which sounds so unrealistic because so many people on my Twitter have actually been, bashing me that it's unrealistic. you guys forget about them, because I know my analysis. Okay, whether we like it or not, BT is gonna get to $210,000, and I'm gonna come back here and tell you guys that I said it. Okay. So with that being said, that's it on Bitcoin for this week. I'm gonna be looking at Bitcoin for this week, and I'll keep updating you guys on my Telegram channel, because I know I can't be coming back here every day. So I'm gonna be coming here every week. So if you don't want to miss out on the trades, just join my Telegram channel. I'm gonna be updating you guys there. So with that being said, let's call it the end of this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace out.